Now, let's focus on the present moment. Often, our minds are racing with thoughts about the past or future, which can create stress and anxiety. Take a moment to notice your surroundings. What do you hear? What do you feel? What do you smell? Bring your attention to your senses and fully immerse yourself in the present moment. Next, visualize a warm, golden light surrounding your body. This light represents positive energy and healing. As you inhale, imagine this light entering your body and filling you with warmth and positivity. As you exhale, release any negative thoughts or emotions. Imagine any stress or worries melting away, leaving you feeling calm and centered. Now, take a moment to set an intention for your day. What do you want to accomplish? How do you want to feel? Visualize yourself achieving your goals and feeling confident and empowered. Imagine yourself walking through your day with ease and grace, feeling focused and energized. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine the golden light expanding and radiating outwards, filling the room with positive energy. Imagine this energy spreading to the people and places around you, uplifting and inspiring everyone you encounter. Now, bring your attention back to your breath. As you inhale, imagine the air filling your lungs and energizing your body. As you exhale, release any tension or negativity. Repeat this breathing exercise a few more times, allowing your breath to become slow and steady. Finally, slowly begin to wiggle your toes and fingers and take one more deep breath in. When you're ready, open your eyes and take a moment to appreciate the positive energy and focus you've cultivated in this meditation. Remember, you can return to this feeling of peace and clarity throughout your day by taking a few deep breaths and visualizing the warm, golden light surrounding you. Try to carry this positive energy with you as you move through your day and notice how it impacts your thoughts and actions. With practice, you'll find that you're able to approach each day with a greater sense of calm and clarity.